What is going on, guys? Another day, another problem, man. So I know you guys remember me telling you guys about my wheel lugs, bro. So it turns out that I actually broke one of my stud conversion things. Right now I'm letting you know, bro, do not get any stud conversion because look what happened to my rim, bro. Not my rim. So the lug that goes on top of the stud conversion broke, snapped off, and now it has been giving me a issue to try to get this removed. I went to a shop yesterday and they try to help me out as much as they can to try to take it off, but it was just not coming out at all, bro. So now I had to bring it to a welding shop, and what they're gonna have to do is they're gonna try, hopefully it can come out, bro, because it's been a headache in my head. They're gonna try to weld it, to weld like a bolt to it, and then try to take it off like that, because it seems like the let me see if I have a piece so I can show you guys what's happening. Hold on. So right here I got the stud, right? This is the stud conversion. When you do the stud conversion kit, this is what you get. You get this, and then you get this little bolt, which is what holds the rim in place. So what happened to me was, so I went to the tire shop to get new tires, but it literally snapped right at the bottom. So the only thing that's left now is this piece, right? So we try to take it out, just remove the whole stud out, and it's not coming out. I took it to a shop, they couldn't do it. Now we're here at the welding shop. Hopefully they can weld something to it and try to remove it that way. Because the other thing they told me is that they could use flame, but that's gonna mess up my rim. I really don't wanna have to buy another rim. So hopefully we can figure this out, bro. But yeah, I don't even know, man. I'm just praying at this point that this gets fixed, bro, because this has been freaking annoying, bro. But anyway, do not get any stud conversions, bro. Do not do this, bro. Just get extended lug nuts instead. I ordered some, they're on their way. And damn, that car's not loud. But yeah, do not get these, bro. Right now I'm letting you know, bro. Don't get these things, bro. Do not. So if I show you, it's supposed to look, I know you really can't see, it's supposed to look like that, but mine looks like this because it's stripped. And then I try to use the Allen key to try to remove it, but it actually snapped in there. And so yeah, we're gonna figure it out, bro. Hopefully the guys here can figure it out, help me out. And yeah, bro, we got them working. I'm gonna pick up the camera in a little bit. Let me see if he has any questions for me and stuff. That way we can resolve this and then go from there. So I'll see you in a bit. Let's see, let's pray for me that this can be removed, bro, because I'm gonna be tight. This is what's going on right now to the 440,000. ¿A ti no te importa si hago un videito así? Ah, está bien. Claro. GG's to the 440,000 rim. 440,000 rim. Please come off. Hopefully I don't hear the music in the back, because you guys know how I feel about that copyright stuff. But let's see what happens. He's doing his thing. It's broken 3 different bolts already and it's still not working, bro. We might have to be losing the rim today, bro. That's gonna be freaking annoying. I'm tight, bro. I didn't want to drive this shit no more. There's no way that this thing snapped. Like 4 bolts that they put on, like welded on there. I don't know how that thing's not coming out, bro. But yeah, last resort would have to be literally burn my rim, bro. They came to exactly what we didn't want. So now they're gonna have to burn it off. And then yeah, hopefully it doesn't fuck up the rim too much. And yeah, that's just what we at now, bro. I'm gonna have to get a new rim now after this, because I don't know how good the rim's gonna be after this. GG's in the chat, boys. GG's to the rim. I guess we'll see the aftermath on the rim. Hopefully it's not too bad beaten. He told me that it's gonna make the rim black, but I'm gonna have to probably get it painted if it's not too destroyed, and then I might have to buy a new rim, bro. But anyway, I'll catch you in a little bit and see what we come up with. Bro, they've been wilding over here. They've been trying to figure this out. Let's see. I'm gonna have to start a GoFundMe after this. Yo, y'all better go donate, bro. So the God. This is That's what it looks like. Wow. Look at this, y'all. This is what the tire looks like now. Aftermath. These are the ones that they did. It literally messed up my rim, as y'all can see. It's shot now. But hopefully it's not like cracked, and then I can just get it repainted and like repowder coated and stuff, so it'll fix everything. I don't know. If it's not cracked, then this is the back. The back looks alright. I mean, but yep. There goes that. Just like that, boys. Now I'm gonna have to get my rims painted or powder coat them. Hopefully they can fix, because it definitely messed up my paint. But hopefully they can fix that. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new rim. GG's. Anyway, guys, huge shout out to the guys. I'm gonna put their thing right there, man. If you guys need any muffler work, any welding, pull up here. They did an amazing job. They really were patient with me, and so I appreciate you guys. I gotta go figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with this rim. I'm gonna have to either buy a new one or get these fixed somehow. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.